welcome everyone. Finally, our chief guests are here, so kindly give them another round of applause. I welcome all of you to the Chilia Memorial Hall here at Don Bosco Youth Center. I am Eric Wanlambok Sutton, and I shall be your host today. And I am very happy to welcome you to Singing Out Proud. We all here are here to perform for you. These people that you see standing here today are students of the vocal teaching here at Don Bosco Youth Center. And they will be performing for you. They all were taught by Miss Lapadiang Akor Solang. She is a primary school teacher and a music graduate. She finished her vocal grade degrees from the London School of Music, and they are here to show what she has taught them. Now, we shall begin with the welcome song. They'll be singing Kapor Tamasa, composed by Bart Desmond Sun, so kindly give them a round of applause. kindly give them another round of applause. I would now like to call Father Rector for him to give his welcome speech.
Dear Father Provincial, Brother Colombi, fathers, and my dear friends, today we are very happy to welcome in our midst dear Father Santos Gildacio in our midst. He is General Counselor for Social Communication, and he has come to visit this community of Youth Center and STC and see the work that we are doing here. Dear Father, very welcome to Shillong Province and especially to the community of STC and the Youth Center. Before you enjoy all these programs, I would like to enumerate the various services that this community, especially the Youth Center, is rendering to the youth of Shillong and this youth of Northeast India. Just to enumerate the variety of services that Don Bosco Youth Center offers, they include classes in typewriting, shorthand, computer mastery, sewing and knitting, study skills, coaching and preparation for exams, career guidance, and so on. Besides, life enhancement programs like Education to Love, Choice of Life Partner, Marriage Preparation Course, and awareness programs on drugs, alcohol, and HIV and AIDS are regular. Leadership courses, orientation programs of topics of youth relevance, film appreciation sessions, etc. are part of the activities. The Youth Center also conducts outreach programs in educational institutions, in parishes, as per requests. On Sundays, the center offers opportunities for various groups to have mass and other spiritual activities. Christmas and Holy Weeks programs are organized annually. For nearly 30 years, have attracted large number of youth and other groups. Besides, the center or this institution has made available its classrooms and premises for various youth-related programs. The institution is also rendering its facilities to the Alcoholic Anonymous Association, the Narcotic Association, besides giving counseling to different types of people having problems. Today, the center is offering 42 courses in computer, media, vocational and soft skills, and is also an ISO certified institution. Annually, about 10,000 students got themselves enrolled in the Youth Center. Don Bosco Youth Center also functions as a television studio for Don Bosco Media Networks, the social communication office of the province of Shillong. These are the various activities or opportunities that was provided for the youth of Northeast India and especially of the youth of Shillong. Besides, we have another community which is called STC community, the Salesian Training Center. We have a high secondary school with, in the secondary sections, we have 1,196 students, In the higher secondary section, we have 1,140 students with a total of 2,336 students. And the evening school also is conducted for the economically poorest students. The schools, as you might have come and seen already, organizes different programs or has various academies, sports academy to develop the talents and qualities of the students. These are the activities, the solutions, or the fathers and brothers who are doing in this institution, which you have come to witness. Dear Father, we are very happy to make ourselves available to work for the youth, and your presence adds joy to us who are here doing the works of Don Bosco, of bringing young people to the feet of Jesus. May you have this beautiful evening with us and have a pleasant evening. Welcome, and may God bless us all.
Thank you, Father, for that speech. I now would like to welcome all our chief guests again by honoring them with a bouquet. First, Father Gildasio, and you will be gifted a bouquet by one of our students, Uniki. Father Provincial, here to honor you today is Miss Bahun. And Father Rector, Brother Elphys will do the honors. With all that done, let us now get into the solo performances. First up, we have Mary Karmudai. She will be performing the song Do Believe. And after her, we shall have Zion Roderick Nombri, and he will be performing Piano Man. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Before I lay me down to rest, I asked the Lord one small request. I know I have all I could need, but this prayer is not for me. Too many people on this don't have a peaceful place to stand. Let all fighting cease, that your children may see peace. Wipe the tears of sorrow. To live in a day when hunger and toil passed away, to have the hope amidst despair, that every sparrow that you hear each cry, listen to each breath. Thank you.
Hello? Hello? Okay. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. He says, son, can you play me a memory? I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. La-di-da, la-di-da, la-da, la-di-da, da. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. But we're out in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling alright. Now John at the bar is a friend of mine. He gets me my drinks for free, and he's quick with a joker to light up your smoke. But there's some place he'd rather be. He says, Bill, I believe this is killing me, as a smile ran away from his face. But I'm sure that I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. La-di-da, la-di-da, la-da, la-di-da, da. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. But we're out in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling alright. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. While we're out in the Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly give them another round of applause. Next up, we have two more solo performances. The first is Iba Hunlang Meri Nongrum. She will be performing for us 3 songs. The first being Kamai Yakahok, a song written and composed by Kit Shang Pliang of Somersault. The second one will be Maybe 8, which is by Catherine Pangrop. And the third, she'll be performing the fan favorite Mamma Mia. The second performer will be David Lalrin Mauya. He will be performing for us 2 songs. The first is My Way, and the second one, Your Man. Kindly welcome them.
Hello, Cheng. Jing du jing kermen kapen long yangi Banshanya hublay kahok yang saki What I jing isi kante mrau shirta Ban buat ki kentin sneng ime ipa Lanu ka pertei shim ngin ba la lingkot ngin thom shaki clear haba kut kasngi ngin yo kulong sia kamaya ka haba ka drinks new ka thambor na phang tu tip ba jing bha ya ki kan kenda ka bam sap kan tlor baro ngin yo i ya ka roi ka pa ngi kren ken ya pi ngin la bet ban le ha pa man ka chuat ka por ban kin thi gim dei ban per kha ya wer ya baron ngin klet ching ya pe kamaya ka ho long yin tu ngin ke kamaya ka ho uparem na menwe upen benaya kani pet yap na ka thok ki rong phong ka ber thei dam pen kum ya la di iktiar ka menta ki thiet men barem kawat ka jing start kim ne dei ban shim ngin ba la lingkot ngin thom shaki clear haba kut kasngi ngin yo kulong sia kamaya ka kamaya ka ho uparem na menwe upen benaya kani pet yap na ka thok ki rong phong ka ber thei dam pen kum ya la di iktiar ka menta ki thiet men barem kawat ka jing start ki ne dei ban shim ngin ba la lingkot ngin thom shaki clear haba kut kasngi ngin yo kulong sia kamaya ka
매일매일 정나 땅 앞이 무한
been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I've missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, I could never let you go. I've been angry and sad about the things that you do. I can't count all the times that I've told you were true. And when you go, when you slam the door, I think you know that you won't be away too long. You know that I'm not that strong. Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I've missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. My, how can I let you go? Mamma Mia, even if I say bye, leave me now or never. Mamma Mia, it's a game we play. Bye, doesn't mean forever. Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia,
life is full. I travel each and every hour, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, I saw it through without exemption. I planned each shot a course, each careful step along the byway, oh, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Oh yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But to it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I've laughed and cried. I had my fill, my share of losing, and now as years subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in the shower, oh no, no, not me. I did it my way. Oh, what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the words he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way.
We apologize for the technical difficulties. Let us now have a speech. Let us rest the musical side of our brain, and let us now hear Father Provincial for his speech. Please give him a round of applause.
Good evening to you all. I'm very happy to be with you this evening and to be with Father Dos Santos Mendes Gildasio, General Counselor for Social Communication. And on behalf of Father, on behalf of all the Salesians here, and my dear parents, the teachers, the staff here in Don Bosco Youth Center, and the young people, I would like to thank Father Michael Mercury and also the social communication team of the province for organizing this program this evening on behalf of Father Gildasio. Yeah, Father is a social communication counselor from Brazil. Father born in Brazil, he's a Brazilian. He was a provincial first term up to 2019. 2020, he was appointed by the Rector Major to be a provincial for Andhra province, and he took over for 3 days. 3 days he was a provincial of that new province, and he came up to Rome for the general chapter, the 20th general chapter. During the general chapter, Father was elected by the chapter members as the General Counselor for Social Communication. So he was, the second time he was provincial for 3 days. He didn't even enter the room, and he didn't even shifted his things, came up to room, and he was appointed as the Social Communication. I think that's a big hand to Father Santos Mendes. Father is very well qualified for this department. He did doctorate on social communication, both in US and also in Brazil. Father was one of the famous person, consultant of all the social communication in US and also in Brazil. Father is a writer. He has written so many books, Italian, Portuguese, and English. He is also a composer. He has written almost 120 songs composed, and he's a very famous musician. Father, that means he's well versed for this department. But one thing which I liked in Father is very simple and humble. That's what I learned in this past 3-4 days together with Father, who is almost the General Counselor from Rome, in charge of all the 92 provinces in the world, 132 countries in the world where Father journeys, but a person who is very humble, who accommodates himself wherever he is. And this is what Don Bosco is teaching for all of us. I would like just to give a short message from this one when I came. I said, we educate for life. My dear parents and my young people, I would like to congratulate all the artists here on the stage who have performed and are going to perform, and our young people here in charge of the Don Bosco Media Network here in the Youth Center, together with Mercury. I'd like to congratulate each one of you. My young people, this institution is meant for you. As our Father rightly said, around 10,000 young people come to this center every year. And every day around 1,000, more than 1,000 young people really come to this center. Then across, we have around 3,000 students in St. Anthony's Higher Secondary. Why because we, especially with the sons and daughters of Don Bosco, or the Salesian family of Don Bosco, educate young people for life. And young people, you are here to prepare yourself for your future. And we are here for you. This institution is for you. It's not for the Salesians. It's not for other people, mainly for the young people. And that is the charism of our father and founder, Don Bosco. And that's what Father so came to India, to visit India, to see how we are working for young people and how we really live the charism of Don Bosco. Father here will be in India for a month, completed Guwahati province. Now going to complete Shillong province. Tomorrow, Father, by 1 o'clock, he takes the flight from Umroi to Dimapur. He'll be in Dimapur for 3-4 days. From Dimapur, he'll fly to Calcutta. Calcutta, he'll be 4-5 days. From Calcutta, he'll fly to New Delhi. In Delhi, he'll be 4-5 days. From Delhi, he'll go to Mumbai. Mumbai, he'll leave 3-4 days. From Mumbai, he'll go to Chennai, 3-4 days in Chennai, then back to Rome. And this is the love that our what called General Council, together with Father Rector Major, were really taking care of the young people all over the world. Whether we here in Meghalaya, or in Shillong, or in Northeast, or in India, or whether we are in Europe, or in Latin America, or in America, or anywhere, we are one. We are one family. So my dear parents and my dear young people here, and the teachers and close collaborators, we are one with you, and we are always with you for one purpose: to educate young people for life, to prepare young people for life, that they may live and try the best, that one day all of us will reach that goal which is above, to be with God forever. Thank you. May the Lord continue to bless all of you.
Thank you, Father. Now, let us have two more performances. First, we will have Uniki Vizote. She will be singing for us Well Done. And second, our first Hindi song of the night, Kaisi Paheli Zindagani, Happy Shisha Nonkanri, will sing that for us. Please give them another round of applause.
Hello, hello. I'm headed down this narrow road, chosen by a few. And all that I know is you told me to follow you. I'm taking a risk and leaving it all, not knowing what I'll go through. But I'm not alone as long as I follow you. So when my life's a leap of faith, I can hear you say, well done, well done. I'm gonna chase you, Lord, I'm gonna show the world your love. Whoa, I'll run, I'll run. I'm gonna run this race to hear you say well done. If people walk with me, talk with me, looking for truth, they're gonna find out soon.